Hello everyone. This is regarding the NCERT workshop, online workshop on developing e-content for teaching and learning of science. I had posted this notice in the teachers group earlier, and the workshop was from 25th of September to 29th of September. It was 1 hour workshop every day for 5 days. In case any teacher has missed this workshop and you're still interested in watching the videos and getting a certificate, you can go onto this link of https://ciet.nic.in and watch the videos of each day. You will find that NCERT has posted the presentation for every day, the videos which are linked with that, and after watching the videos, which will take about 5 hours for you, you can go down to this area, the step 3, where you can attempt a quiz based on the videos. After attempting the quiz, and if you score above 70%, you are eligible to get a certificate. Once you get a certificate, please upload it on the portal, and this will all be counted in your 50 hours of continuous professional development. All the best, keep learning, and I will keep posting such links in the teachers group so that you can keep on attending these workshops. Thank you so much.